Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we've got another data case travel case to review. Here it is right here. Let's get into it. Okay, and just like the one I reviewed before, this one's just a little bit bigger. It's got an extra level. Again, you get your card here with your little configurations. Don't need that. And here's the bag. Alright, so it has a handle like the last one. Shows you what it's for. Got those three diagrams there, and let's open it up. And there's your first compartment. So there's a pocket on this side and a pocket on this side. Little compartments here, little elastic holders here. Same on this side, three little pockets as well. Oh, these two zipped areas and another two pockets there. All right, so what's the other compartments got? Okay, so a little bit like the last one I reviewed, had the pockets here and the elastic holders and this section here as well. So same one here. So the reason why I've got this one is because I've got a lot of cables and batteries and things like that for my cameras and for my laptop and phone. So okay, we're gonna see what this thing can fit, and I've got quite a few things this time. I'll show you. Here's my bag of goodies again. What do you reckon? Is it going to fit everything? I don't know. Maybe not. But let's put it to the side. And we'll do a time lapse again. And we'll see how we go. Okay, so let the time lapse begin. All right, we'll start with the bottom part first. All right, so mission completed. So it actually fit everything I've got. And that's it. Let's head back up. So that was a data cable case for travel review. If you enjoyed that, links will be in the description. Head down, have a look for yourselves, and get yourselves one of these if you need one. I truly recommend it.